Are you looking for a property that's under $250,000 and move in and financeable ready? We got it right here at 3610 Twilight Drive. Inside, we've got a 733 square foot home, 2-bedroom, 1-bath, brand new floors in the main areas, ready to move right into. One of the things I love about this property is this 0.24 acre lot, and the house is sitting a little bit farther back, so you've got a little more driveway, lots of parking for toys, extra cars, whatever. Plus, you got a turnaround spot right there where my car is, so you can get out face first. You ain't gonna hold any Super Bowl parties in this little garage, but it's enough space to drive your car in and at least get your car out of the hail.
Let's take a look around and see what's nearby. This right here is Elkvale Road, which takes you right up to Interstate 90. This area right here is Timmins Grocery Store and a few other services, which we'll talk about in a moment. You can see Black Elk Peak towering over the Black Hills, and to the west is downtown Rapid City. No matter what you want to do, it's probably under 15 minutes away. I mentioned Timmins Grocery Store, and that's a smaller grocery store that's located within a gas station that is minutes away. If you want a bigger grocery store like Family Fare, which is a regional grocery store, that's 7 minutes away. The nearest Walmart is Southside Walmart, that's 10 minutes away. You can be downtown in 10 minutes. Go by Uptown Rapid Mall in 11 minutes. Shopping at Target, Sam's Club, and many other retails and restaurants in 10 minutes. You'll be at the hospital in 12 minutes. The nearest dog park is 9 minutes away. You're the closest of anybody in Rapid City to the airport, being 10 minutes away. And for our military members, Ellsworth Air Force Base is about 15 minutes away. Just to the south along East Highway 44 are many retail strip malls, gas stations, Dollar General, of course, and some cool places like Jolly Lane Greenhouse, Black Hill Speedway, and Elks Golf Course. Here's the Timmins grocery store I was mentioning before, which is right next to a Black Hills Federal Credit Union branch, Goodwill store, strip mall, dentist, car wash, and storage units. Just a little bit farther down the road from here are your elementary and middle schools, both of which are about 5 minutes away. For your high school students, Central High School is about 13 minutes away. As you head north of I-90, you get to Wetiku Indoor Water Park, Dakota Steakhouse, more gas stations, more strip malls, and chain restaurants.
I'm Tristan with Mindful Living Realty. If this home looks right for you, you know the drill. Get a hold of me, let's take a look at it, or call that favorite real estate agent of yours and schedule a showing.